In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free GoHighLevel website templates. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find GoHighLevel's built-in library of templates and how to load one into your account in just a few clicks, so you can start with a polished layout instead of a blank page. Once you're inside your GoHighLevel workspace, look to the main navigation panel and head to the Sites area. This is where all your web assets live, and it's the hub for anything related to pages and full websites. Going here first keeps everything neatly organized under one roof. Inside Sites, select the Websites section. This is different from funnels, which are typically single-purpose, step-based flows. Websites, on the other hand, give you multi-page structures with navigation, which is perfect if you want a traditional site presence for your brand or clients. Next, click the New Website button. You'll usually see it near the top right. Think of this as your starting gate. You can begin from scratch or use a head start with ready-made designs. Choose the From Templates option. This is the key to getting free designs fast. It opens the template library, which includes professionally designed layouts for a variety of industries and use cases. Starting from a template saves hours of structure and layout work while still giving you full control to customize later. If you're prompted, click Continue. This simply confirms that you want to pull from the library rather than begin with a blank canvas. It's a quick handshake before you dive into browsing. Now use the search field to type the kind of website you want to create. Enter keywords that match your niche or style. Terms like salon, coach, restaurant, or agency work well. You can try variations if your first search is too broad or too narrow. The goal here is to surface a layout that already fits your content flow, so you spend your time polishing, not rebuilding. When you've found a template that looks right, click Choose. That selects the design and imports it into your account as a new website project. From there, you can immediately begin editing pages, swapping images, updating colors and typography to match your brand, and replacing placeholder copy with your own messaging. A quick tip: review the header, footer, and navigation first so your global elements are consistent. Then audit the mobile view to make sure spacing and font sizes feel great on smaller screens. Don't forget basic SEO settings, page titles, meta descriptions, and alt text, so your beautiful layout is discoverable. And that's it. You've just pulled in a free GoHighLevel website template and set yourself up with a professional starting point in minutes.